Good morning, children. Welcome back to the online classes once again. How are you? I think so all of you are keeping fine. Chapter number 16 we already studied what is waste, types of waste. Then we were studying the conserving the environment. The best way to manage the waste is to follow the 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle. What do you mean by reduce? Reduce the amount of the waste we produce, the best way to help the environment. Reuse means to use the things again. Recycling is the process of converting the waste material into new materials and objects. Then I discussed some exercise parts also. All of you can be open the page number 176 and 177. 176 and 177. True or false I already explained to you, and fill in blanks also. True or false also. Now we are going to be discuss the answer the following questions. All of you can be see page number 177. First question. What do you mean by a waste? What do you mean by a waste? Explain with the examples. Anything that is unwanted and no longer of the use to us is called waste. It includes leftover food material, broken glass, empty packets, jars, bottles, etc. Second question. Why is it important to dispose the waste properly? Answer. It is very important to dispose the waste properly so that it does not pollute the environment. It also important to reduce the amount of waste produced to reduce pollution. Third question. Differentiating between biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste are the waste that can protect, mix with easily with the soil. Examples: fruits, leaves, wood. Biodegradable waste is not harmful to nature. Next, non-biodegradable waste are the waste that do not rot easily and do not mix with the soil. Non-biodegradable waste is harmful to nature. Example: glass, rubber, metals, plastic, etc. Then another question: list the certain steps to dispose the waste in a responsible manner. Household waste should be thrown in a covered dustbins. Separate waste at home are biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Given them separately to the covered collector who goes from house to house collect the waste. The green bin is meant for biodegradable waste. Blue bin is for the non-biodegradable waste. The trucks of the municipal corporation collect the waste from those two bins separately. Then they dump the waste in separate dumping cities. Then last question. What are the 3 R's? Explain each briefly. The best way to manage the waste is to follow 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle. First of all, reduce. Reducing the amount of the waste we produce, the best way to help the environment. Reuse. Reuse means to use the things again. Next, recycling. Recycling is a process of converting waste material into new materials and objects. Now, students, all of you want to write these answers in your notebook. I am sending with the PDF also all the true or false, fill in the blanks, choose a correct and answer the following questions. Students, all of you look at the PDF and write all the answers with the properly and systematically. And you should want show the answers when you are coming back. All of you understood? Thank you. Have a nice day.